Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is day 16th of my 60 days weight loss challenge, and I'm going to have my Kesar water today. It's Kesar hot water, and so kal I was not feeling like doing anything. Raat ko after office, I straight went to bed like in the morning, early morning. But फिर नींद ही नहीं आई and I slept around probably after 10 or 11. I was just lying down on the bed and doing my own shit. मतलब फ़ोन भी नहीं यूज़ कर रही थी मैं. And yeah, so I woke up around 5 o'clock and आज probably मेरा workout miss हो भी सकता है क्योंकि I have to go out with mom to get the geysers. So yeah, I'll just have this hot water now, and then after that I'll have my protein shake, and then I'll go out with my mom. So let's see what happens. If I have time, then probably I'll go ahead for the workout. So guys, मैंने प्रोटीन शेक पी लिया है. अभी मैं रेडी हो गई हूँ मम्मी के साथ जाने के लिए गीज़र लाने. तो बट अभी तक मैंने शावर वगैरह कुछ नहीं किया, एक्सरसाइज वगैरह कुछ नहीं किया है. अभी बस जाऊँगी, फटाफट गीज़र लूँगी क्योंकि मेरे घर से ओनली 5 minutes डिस्टेंस में है ये शॉप. तो हम लोग फटाफट वो लेके आएंगे. उसके बाद आई डू द रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स आई डू. So I had to rush after reaching home because it was already time for me to join work. तो फटाफट ड्रैगन फ्रूट और बनाना लेके मैं बैठ गई काम के लिए. फिर डिनर में मैंने खा लिया पालक मटर, दाल, 2 रोटी, भिंडी फ्राई और पालक की सब्जी, साथ में एक क्यूकम्बर. टेस्टी टेस्टी खाना. मेरा ऑफिस ख़त्म होते होते जंगल भी उठ जाता है और उसको देख के मुझे नींद आती है. A very good morning to everyone. This is a beautiful morning, I must say. I do see the moon and the sun is almost up. Last evening actually, after coming back from the shop of Giza, it was too late, way too late in fact, and I had to rush for work, and I just took a shower and then I had to get to work. And then yesterday was a lot of fun at work, talking with the customers and everything, but at the same time it was a pretty busy day at work. After work I was just watching Friends for some time, and now I'm here to get done with my exercises because yesterday I could not exercise at all. I was feeling all bumped up and my body was paining so much. My legs are still paining a little bit, but it's a little in control. So yeah, let's hit it. You know guys, ये वीडियोस बनाने का मेरा सबसे बड़ा मोटिव है अपने आप को पुश करना, ये बेली फैट कम करने के लिए. Because I was getting a little lazy to be honest, and ऑफिस करके फुल टाइम जॉब करके उतना टाइम मुझे नहीं मिल रहा था. On the top of that I had so much of stress and anxiety going on in my life from last few years, but finally this is giving me a push and I'm able to do it. Guys, so I'm done with my workout for the day, and fuck, today I didn't get my inhaler and I was getting out of breath today. I was having those asthma issues, but with the help of deep breathing I was able to feel better. I'm still having it a little bit, but because I have minor asthma, so it's not that bad for me. But yeah, if I don't have the inhaler around me I freak out, and that makes me lose it even more. So yeah, but deep breathing helps so much because after working out sometimes I get out of breath and I'm like that. So I just that time I just deep breathe and it helps immediately. It calms you down and it will calm the breathing. And so my battery is low right now, so I have to go downstairs and make sure I'm taking a shower, resting a little bit. This is the water tank of our apartment, and wow. And this is where I showed you guys before. This is another part of our terrace, and that's the flyover, Bhagirathi Keshtapur flyover. That's the sun. That's me. प्रोफेशनल शॉट लेना था यार, प्लेन सन के बीच में से जा रहा है। बट एनी गाइस, सो एक्सरसाइज करके आके मैंने अच्छे से शावर कर लिया, एक लॉन्ग शावर। इट वॉज सो सेटिस्फाइंग इवन इफ इट्स कोल्ड, लेकिन एक्सरसाइजेस के बाद शावर करने में मज़ा लगाता है। तो आके मैंने थोड़ा सा पूजा भी दे दिया है हल्का फुल्का, लेकिन फिर से देना है पूजा शाम को मैं जब उठूँगी। तो अभी आई जस्ट गो फॉर माई स्किन केयर रूटीन एंड देन आई ट्राई टू स्लीप और मे बी रीड समथिंग, नॉट श्योर, because right now I'm not that sleepy, so probably I'll sleep by 10 or something. So yeah, I'll sleep after a while. So for now I'll just go for my skincare. तो आज हम लोग के घर पे लगेगा वो गीज़र जो मैं कल लेके आई हूँ। You know guys, being raised in a middle class family, middle class क्या, जब हम लोग बचपन में we were like really poor. Like my mom was a nurse and my dad he has construction business, but मतलब he used to spend the money in some other things. Like he's a very good man, but he used to spend the money on alcohol and all of that. So थोड़ा सा problem हो जाता था, तो it was never like we could not afford these small things. Like later, like after we grew up, after probably 11-12, after crossing 11-12 standard, but it was more of a the money should have been spent on the necessary things, not on the luxury or something. So that's why we never we had this rod iron which we used to पानी गर्म करने के लिए जो यूज़ करते हम लोग नॉर्मली, वो था। तो आई रिमेंबर आई थिंक इन 2018 or 19 when I got the washing machine first time, and it was a gift to my mom because mummy is like, she's next level OCD, just medically treat होना बाकी है उनका OCD का। शी इज़ लाइक सुपर क्लीन, सुपर हाइजीन। तो उनको हर चीज़, हर घर का कोना एकदम साफ चाहिए, हर घर का कोना। सो इवन इफ वी हैड मेड, शी नेवर लाइक्ड एनी वर्क दैट मेड वुड डू, एंड तो वो फिर से वो सब करती थी। तो वो सब देख के आई टू फील रियली बैड बिकॉज बचपन से शी हैड वर्क रियली हार्ड टू प्रोवाइड फॉर अस, एंड मुझे कभी बचपन से वो फील नहीं होने दिया दैट वी डोंट हैव, वी कांट गेट थिंग्स एंड ऑल। जब मुझे लैपटॉप चाहिए थी, they got me laptop. जब मुझे जो चाहिए था, I always got those things because I was good in studies until class 12. तो I used to get everything whichever I wished for. तो मुझे लगा कि यार मम्मी के लिए तो ये इतना करना ही चाहिए मुझे। So that's when I got the washing machine for the first time in 2019. Yeah, when I was in TCS, I remember, and she was so happy. Even though उनको washing machine का मतलब पसंद नहीं आता है वॉश, मतलब पापा का कुछ शर्ट्स उनको खुद से हाथ से करना होता है। तो देन धीरे धीरे देन आई गॉट द इन्वर्टर, क्योंकि लोड शेडिंग होता था उस टाइम पे बहुत, अभी भी कभी भी होता है। एंड इन आवर अपार्टमेंट एवरीबडी हैड इन्वर्टर्स बट वी डिडंट हैव। तो जब भी लोड शेडिंग होता था तो हम लोग के घर पे सिर्फ लाइट नहीं रहती थी, एंड दे यूज्ड टू हैव द लाइट। तो फिर मुझे लगा कि नहीं, सो माई मॉम रियली वांटेड इन्वर्टर, तो मैंने इन्वर्टर लिया। उसके पहले AC लिया, and now geyser, and even though it's like it costed me very, like it's minimum cost, it's not too expensive or something। दो छोटा ही लिया है मैंने, 2 वॉशरूम के लिए, but still it makes me feel so good that I'm able to do it for my parents because since childhood they have done so much for us, for me, for my sister, and no matter what I asked from them, I always have, I'm sorry, get emotional sometimes, but yeah, like I always got what I wanted, and so it's my time to, I can never pay my mom off which she had done for us, for me, but at least I can do this few little things जिसमें she would feel happy for her home. This is her home, this is ये उनका संसार है, so I have a surprise for her also. So 1st January is her birthday. So yeah, that's about it. So I'm really happy that finally धीरे धीरे एक एक चीज़ घर में आ रही है and we are getting in a better position in life, and it is all because of my mom's dedication and her hard work and whatever she taught us since we were like a little kid, that to be kind, to be helpful, to love animals. And she has been feeding these dogs, I don't know, it's been like probably 10 years she's feeding this dog, and you guys won't believe, even if it rains, even if it's a storm, matlab when it's rain, no, she wears off a plastic on her head and she goes out and she feeds those animals, those or Puchku and Kalu, everybody. And that's amazing. Like when I saw all of that, I'm like, I had to love animals. I had no other choice, that I could be somebody who hated animals or who could not do for them. So I mean, she's amazing. She can work so hard. Subah se uth ke, like even though we have maid, even though we have everything, like she can take rest if she wants, but she would not. She is such an independent woman, and she would not rely on anybody. She would not take any bullshit from anybody, and she's so blunt, so straightforward that it's very hard to impress her. Like my mom is the only person जिसके साथ मेरा सबसे ज़्यादा झगड़ा होता है आज के डेट में भी. आज के डेट में नहीं मैं बोलूँगी, क्योंकि I don't fight with anybody anymore. I have changed a lot in that way. I used to पहले तो जब भी fight होता था, so it used to be my mom, and मम्मी बोलती है कि तू घर में इतना fight करती है, और बाहर के लोग, like people, my friends and all, they used to say like तू फाइट करती है रियली, बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू बी सो गुड विद अदर्स आउटसाइड. बट मम्मी के साथ मेरा ऐसा बॉन्डिंग है, लाइक आई कैन गेट माई फ्रस्ट्रेशन, आई यूज्ड टू गेट माई फ्रस्ट्रेशन आउट ऑन हर जो बाहर होता था. बट नाउ आई नो दैट शी इज ऑल्सो गेटिंग ओल्ड एंड शी डिजर्व्स all the love, all the happiness. So yeah, I want to do so much for her. She has no idea that what I want to do for her. But yeah, finally I'm able to make her feel proud, and finally probably she is in a happy place. Maybe yeah, मेरे love life के लिए she is a little bit worried, but other than that she is happy that I have a good job and I can crack any interviews and get any job I want. And I'm like so ambitious. I want to do things. I want to be independent. And little does she know that all these things came from her. Everything that I am today, and all the positivity and all the kindness and everything, it is just because of my mom. And I know all of you love their moms, and I know all the moms are like amazing. They're like superwoman, right? They have amazing power and they can do amazing things. But I can only speak for my mom, and she is the best. She is so hardworking. She is so independent. Even though she only had studied until class 12, but her brain works like magic. She is like so brilliant. She'll crack anything, and she'll read newspaper every day. Not a single day she misses to read newspaper. She'll watch news. She has all the updates. Plastic bottle में नहीं पानी पीना चाहिए, ये नहीं करना चाहिए, ये नहीं खाना चाहिए, बोलिए. She knows everything. Even I have no idea about all those things which she knows. So yeah, she's amazing. I love her, and she's coming in. So yeah, let's change the topic. So yeah guys, ये सब इमोशनल बातें करते करते मेरा स्किन केयर भी ऑलमोस्ट हो गया है. एंड जिंगल इज ऑल्सो हेयर. बाहर भू भू करके आ गया है वो अभी अंदर. सो आई एम गोना यूज दिस बॉडी बटर टुडे एंड सी हाउ इट इज. लेट्स सी. Smells so good. So guys, I'm finally done with my skincare routine, and you guys had to see me being emotional today, and sometimes I get a little emotional because I've seen since childhood the things we have faced as a family, and how from here now we are at here, but now I'm gonna take my family and everything to here, you know, and I don't know, maybe here. So that's my goal, that's my ambition, and I hope I'll be able to do it. And guys, I need your blessings, I need your support, I need your motivation, and I wish a lot of people, women, men like me, who belongs from a middle class family or a poor family, guys, work hard, have ambitions, have a clear mind, pure intention, and just don't give up, keep on trying, and you're gonna reach where you want to reach and where you want to be one day for sure. And keep making your parents proud, keep loving them, keep doing things for them. That's it for today. I'm gonna see you guys on my next video, and yeah, hope for the best. Har Har Mahadev, take care you all, and please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Toodles.